110. Real-life English Conversations. Chapter 1, Greetings and Introductions. 1.1 Basic Greetings and Responses. Conversation 1, Saying hello, casual.
Hey, Mike, how's it going?
Hey, Lisa, I'm good. How about you?
Pretty good. What's new with you?
Not much, just busy with work.
Conversation 2, Formal Greetings, Professional/polite.
Good morning. How are you today?
Good morning. I'm doing well, thank you. And you?
I'm fine, thanks for asking. Have a great day.
You too.
Key phrases for greetings.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
Good morning, afternoon, evening. Hey, what's up? Casual.
Not much, just relaxing.
One point two Introducing yourself and others. Conversation 3, Introducing yourself.
Hi, my name is Alex. What's your name?
Hi, Alex. I'm Sarah. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Sarah. Where are you from?
I'm from Canada. How about you?
I'm from the US.
Conversation 4, Introducing a friend.
James, this is my friend Emily.
Hi, Emily. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, James.
Emily just moved here from Australia.
That's great. Welcome to the city, Emily.
Key phrases for introductions.
Hi, I'm. What's your name? Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
This is my friend.
Hi. Nice to meet you.
One point three Asking and answering common questions. Conversation 5, Talking about the weather.
It's such a beautiful day today.
Yes, the sun is shining, and it's not too hot.
Perfect weather for a walk in the park.
I agree. Do you like going for walks often?
Conversation 6, Asking about work.
So, what do you do for a living?
I'm a teacher. I teach English.
That's great. How long have you been teaching?
For about 5 years now.
Conversation 7, Asking about someone's day.
How's your day going?
It's going well, thanks. How about yours?
Pretty good, just a little busy with work.
I understand. Hope the rest of your day is good.
Key phrases for small talk.
How's your day going?
It's good, thanks.
What do you do for work?
I work as a.
Where are you from?
I'm from country, city.
One point four. Saying goodbye politely. Conversation 8. Casual goodbyes.
I've got to go now. See you later.
Okay. Take care. See you soon.
Conversation 9. Formal goodbyes.
It was nice talking to you. Have a great day.
You too. Hope to see you again.
Key phrases for saying goodbye.
See you later. Casual. Take care. Goodbye. Have a nice day.
Practice exercise. Try introducing yourself and greeting a new friend using these phrases. Example. You. Hi. My name is. Your name. What's your name? New friend. Hi. I'm. Friend's name. Nice to meet you. You. Nice to meet you too. Where are you from? New friend. I'm from. Country/city. How about you? You. I'm from. Your country. What do you do for a living?